Welcome to CAD Corner. Today we are going to be moving on to the second module of our AutoCAD beginners tutorial, which is the basic drawing command. And under the basic drawing command, we have different types of command that are very important. We have the line, we have polyline, we have rectangle, we have circle, we have arc, we have polygon, we have ellipse, and we have spline. So today we are going to be talking about the line command. Every drawing you create in AutoCAD starts with one of the most simplest but powerful command, which is the line command. Whether you are drawing a building, road, bridge, or machine parts, understanding this command is essential. So in this tutorial, you will learn how to use the line command like a professional. So now everything you see here starts with a line. This is a building plan, this is a roof plan, elevations, everything you see starts with a line. The line command is used to create straight line between two or more points. It is one of the most frequently used command in AutoCAD. So this is a wall, you can see is a wall. Line is used to create a wall. This is a window. Everything here you see is created from a line. Everything you see here is created from a line. We have three ways to start the line command. The first method is the ribbon. So we go to the ribbon tab and to the home. Under the ribbon tab, we are going to locate our line. This is useful for beginners who are still learning the AutoCAD interface. The second method is the command line. So you come to the command line and type a command. We are going to type line, we want line, enter. Then this is it. This is the second command, the second method. And the third method now is a shortcut where we can just click on L, enter. We're going to have a, a line. Professionals often use the shortcut because it is faster. So now to draw our first line, so we are going to be using, for this tutorial, we are going to be using the shortcut. So I'm going to click on L, enter, then specify first point. I've specified the first point. The first point is where your line begins. So I can just click anywhere. Now. The second point determines the direction and the length of our line. So determines the direction and the length of our line. To end this command now, all I need to do is just to click on enter, and then I'm going to end the line command. Click enter. So now moving on to the dynamic input, understanding the dynamic input, because this is very important. So I'm going to come back to the line command using the line from the home. Now we see numbers now in the blue background. That's the dynamic input. The dynamic input allows you to enter the distance and angle directly at the cursor, making drawing faster and more accurate. So our angles and distance are inputted into the dynamic input, into this blue background, where we can have the exact angle or distance or the length of the line that we want. So that leads us to drawing with exact command. So instead of guessing, you are telling AutoCAD the exact length and the angle you want your line should be. So now I'm going to input a distance for my line. So let's say 5,000. Now I have a line of 5,000. Now I can input another dimension or for distance of my line to be 3,000. 5,000 again. Then I close it up here with 3,000. enter. So now I've been able to create a rectangle just with line with the dimension or the distance of 5,000 and 3,000. So what I did now is connecting multiple lines together. So I don't need to maybe restart the line command at every segment. What I need to do is just input the dimension and then move on to the next one till I'm done using the enter to end the command. In case you make a mistake while you are drawing your line or connecting multiple lines, just type U and enter. U is a shortcut for undo, and the undo option helps to remove only the last segment without cancelling the entire command. So I don't have to cancel the entire command now. So I can increase the 3,000 initially to 4,000. You see, and that is the work for the undo. Now, common mistakes that beginners make is drawing without checking units, and in our previous tutorial we've talked about the unit. So guessing the length instead of typing exact value. Like I said earlier, don't guess, use the dynamic input to input the exact value for your line, forgetting to press enter to finish the command. So when you are done using the line command, you have to click on enter to end the command. The next one is clicking randomly instead of using object snap. So we are going to talk about object snap in our subsequent videos. Today we've talked about what the line command is, the three ways to start it, the drawing lines, the exact measurements, the dynamic input, the undo option and the common mistakes. Make sure you attempt the practice task that is attached to this video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on your notification button. Thank you.